Hi guys, this is Elen from Lumine Lighting. Today I'm showing you our factory for the real look which you want to see, okay? Come on. So this is our sample room. As you see, we're specialized in the wall light, underground light, pathway light, and also for underwater light. For the wall lamp, we also use the this brand driver, which is IP67, totally waterproof. And also for the spotlight, as you see, we have different sizes and different colors. And this one even comes with honey bone. So we can do customized everything you want for the colors, wattage, and different sizes. And we do also have the underground liner light. This comes with like 15 centimeters, and this is about 20 meters. We also provide big sizes like 80 centimeters or 100 centimeters. And this even the glasses you can see is different. This closer, this is different, okay? And we do also have the underwater light, fountain light. This is IP68 with stainless 316, and this LED chips we're using Bridge Lux, which is popular and very safe. Everyone knows that. And also have this kind of wood light, underwater light. It's also stainless, and you may be asked, will 304 or 316 we do also can provide, okay? And also here is underground light. It's with small size, big size, different sizes, and with different way. As you can see, we do also have, as you can see, we do also have 3 ways and 4 ways. Also have 1 way, 2 way, 3 and 4. This also, you can see, it's underground light with the big sizes here, and this is really heavy, okay? And this is also the pathway lights. We do also provide with the solar ones. And this also the wall lamps with different models. As you can see, 1 way and 2 way. This round one and the square one with 2 sides. This fishing is very nice. You can see this is also stainless, and this is die-cast aluminum with different material, as you can see. Also have the floodlights. We do also have small size and the big size, the floodlight. It's very popular product and everyone can see it. And this is our new mode. This is especially for the American market. For the client, we have developed it. This is heavy, and you even cannot see a screw on it. You can even not see the screw of it. This is also aluminum, die-cast aluminum, and also you can printing for other colors like white and black, or any other color you want. Okay, I believe now you know our sample room, so I'm gonna show you our factory, the production line. So let's go.